Hi guys. So we are at a what's it called?
What?
Ram Fair.
Yeah, Ren Fair.
Ren Fair.
Ren Fair. Like Renaissance.
Renaissance, that's right.
Alright.
It's nice and warm. Look at all the cars.
The 70s?
Smells so good here. Oh, look, an ATM. It's supposed to be medieval. Since when was there a medieval ATM in a medieval place? Yep, that's a dead bear. A dead bear.
The Riverwalk. Oh, we can just walk around the mall. Well, it's not even open yet, so
Nothing's
yes, we can go down to the Riverwalk.
Nothing's open.
We got here early, so it's okay. Big old dinosaur. There is I think there's an aquarium in the Mona. Yeah. There's an aquarium.
This riverboat's on for 2.5 hours.
After? It was that guy
2.5.
right. St. Andrew's building ever moved across city streets on air-filled tires for this location. Now I'm going to show you something not on the tour. And if I have any Spanish-speaking people on board, I'd like to say mucho. I know that means a lot to you. Now,
She got
not
stuck.
on the tour. To my left, in front of us, you're going to see 5 flower pots. The one sticking out in the middle of all of them has been hit by every single book captain. Oh yes, this one right here, and I myself repeatedly. I actually had to tell people, I'm sorry you did not know this was a thrill ride. Then someone knocked it into the river, it was replaced and hit again, and again, and again.
Go around and hit it?
What's that?
Go around and hit it?
If you want to, yeah, Mark. I found that out accidentally.
Size of them
Told my
buildings.
boss what I found out. I learned 2 things that day. 1, saints.
I don't know what
change
that's
their
supposed
names
to
by
be.
popes. 2, popes change their names. I did not know that. I thought they were all popes up Paul. Lesson learned. Narrate the river as well. You need me to back up? You need me to back up? Did you get your picture? It's up front. It's up front. Did you get your picture? And this is the Artistic River Theater. This seats 800 people. They still have live performances here. Who's seen the movie Miss Congeniality? The stage on my right is where they filmed the swimsuit competition and the perfect date scene. It's crazy, the stage looks so big in that movie. but there it is. San Antonio Library. That everything was, and is it is. You'll hear me say that again, maybe even again. They don't tear anything down. They'll build up onto you and out from. Oh, and I found out that the word buckaroo actually comes from the word vaquero. Poison, 1853. That is now at Hotel. Next building coming up on my left was the Knicks Hospital. Lost their lives on that battlefield. That is sacred ground and haunted. Menger Hotel, most haunted hotel. Until the Knicks Hospital, of course. If you actually want to really, actually known as Spanish Texas. A lot of people don't know that. Our history has not been pretty. It's been pretty brutal, bloody, and ugly. Oh well, too bad, lo siento. We are who we are because of it and proud of it. Did you know Frito Pie invented in San Antonio? The man who invented Gatorade, a San Antonian. San Antonio is home to the very first Church's Fried Chicken, and Texas home to 81% of the world's Whataburgers. What? If you don't know what a Whataburger is, you get 81% of them. And if you don't know what a Taco Cabana is, then you got 94% of them. And if you don't know what a JCP is, sorry.
So it turned out she was joking. It's not on for 2.5 hours. It was on for 20 minutes. She's not getting a tip.
And your photos will be over to my right.
Hey guys, so what happened yesterday? We had to sit through a 2 hour, what was it, a cinema?
Yeah, it was a cinema.
We had to sit through a timeshare pitch. we were going to the Alamo, and we got stopped by this bloke. He says, "Oh, it's we're doing a promotional deal for, was it a boat ride, a tow boat ride, a bus ride, and you get a $75 gift card for your dinner
And a free night stay.
and a free night stay at a hotel." No, it was 2 nights stay that he said.
Yeah, but it turned into a one night.
Turned into a 1 night. It was $75 for 3 people, but it was promotion. It was $50 per person. So we thought, oh, because I'm a tourist, I'll go. We'll do it then. Turned out we had to sit through a 2 hour timeshare pitch. We were so bored having to listen to this person trying to sell us a timeshare.
Boat ride wasn't bad though.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It actually was a good idea, but they wanted too much money.
Yeah.
They were like $6,000 down payment, and it went all the way to 2,000. They were like, nah, can't afford that. Sorry. the woman that we were speaking to was proper condescending. Like, the two people that came with me, because I was the one that paid for it and filled it all out, they were asking questions, and she turned around and she went, well, we're not talking about you, we're talking about him, because he's the one that paid for it on his card. Proper horrible. So yeah, that's what happened. It was fun though. I liked the boat ride. Should have took more videos, but it was supposed to be on for 2.5 hours, but she was joking. Anyway, I thought I would update you. Catch you in the next.